Hi and welcome back to Hanging with the Hills. My name is Chanel. Thank you so much for coming by. And let me go ahead and say this right now. I have not posted in 2 weeks and I am like so sorry. My husband now works in a different location for his job. So he works further away, so I really can't get him to film with me. And that's one of the reasons why I haven't uploaded a video. And I actually have been filming, I just had never edited the videos or posted them. So it's my bad. So we're actually going to be doing a plan with me video right here. And I'm letting you guys know that because of my camera, and I almost dropped it last week, I will not currently be moving my camera where it's currently in the location it's at. So the background you see is actually my background for my beauty channel. If you did not know, I do have a beauty channel, and the link for my channel is down below in the description box if you would like to go and check that channel out. But like I said, this is not about that. This is a plan with me video. So you guys will be seeing a lot more of me, and I know I have plans to do, I'm not sure about doing a shop with me, but I will be doing a grocery haul and a meal prep video soon. So I'm going to show you guys all that too, and how I meal prep and to save money. And I'm not sure yet, but you guys gotta let me know if you guys are curious. But I do a budget for me and my family, and I haven't yet done a budget on my channel yet. So let me know if you guys are kind of up for that. So I do plan in the Happy Planner, and this is the memory planner. Let's go ahead and get started. Oh, by the way, if you're not yet subscribed to my channel, please go ahead and hit the red button down below. Down below it says subscribe. Go ahead and press that button and become part of our little hill gang over here. And make sure your bell is turned on so you always get notified every time we have a new video posted. And yes, I will make sure I stay on it this time, okay? So let's go ahead and actually get started into this plan with me. Alright, so before we go ahead and get started for the week of the 22nd, I want to go ahead and show you guys that I did do this spread from the 1st to the 7th. Like I said, I did record it, but I did not post the video. I am so sorry. And I also did, let me pull this because I haven't filled this out either. I also did this spread right here. From the 8th to the 14th. It was a very pretty and very special spread. My niece was born on the 9th of October, so I have that done, and it's all pretty and decked out. So I did film this too, but I never posted that. So let me put this back in here because I wanted to fill this out for my new niece Madison, and I haven't been able to do that yet. So let me go ahead. And I also did last week's spread. It was a black, white, and gold theme. And I used blue pen. This was by mistake because I couldn't find a blue one. But yeah, so that was my spread for last week. So we're going to go ahead and get started for this week. And I'm just going to go ahead and pull these out of my planner. So I was actually going to work on this spread a few hours ago. But I realized I couldn't because my nails were not up to par, so I could not do this video. At the moment, I do not know what I'm going to do for this spread. So for the rest of this video, you're not going to hear me. I'm just going to do the spread, and whatever the outcome comes out, that's what's going to happen here. Alright, you guys, so this is pretty much my spread for this week. I'm going to go ahead and add one of my little scale stickers in here so I can remind myself to weigh myself. I'm going to make sure I pick one with the color theme in here as well. And I'm going to make sure I put it right here on Wednesday so I can make sure I do it Wednesday morning. And I'm going to make sure, I don't know exactly when I'm going to do my grocery haul. But I am going to film it for you guys. And when I do, I will add my little shopping cart somewhere on here when I do. So I'm not sure which day I'm going to go grocery shopping at. So I will make sure that I add this little sticker to the day that I do it on. But other than that, this is my spread for the week of the 22nd through the 28th. I hope you guys enjoyed the video. If you're not yet subscribed, please make sure you hit that subscribe button, which is right here down below. And if you are subscribed, please make sure your bell is turned on so you can always get notified every time I have a new video. And give this video a thumbs up if you enjoyed the video. But yeah, I really didn't know what I was going for, but I know that this is the last full week of October. It's funny how the year has just been flying by and October is no different. But yeah, this is the spread. I wanted to add some like the orange and black into here, but I wanted some other colors. Like I said, I really didn't know what I was going for, but I liked how everything came out. So this is how it came out. Thank you so much for watching, and I hope to see you again on the next video. I'll catch you later.